Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we are sharing a smart way to enhance your car service experience with Maruti Suzuki. Did you know you can help us serve you better, ensuring a truly personalized experience? When you book your car's service with Maruti Suzuki, we send you a unique do-it-yourself link. Tapping this link opens your personal DIY job card. The first step is simple. Select your service type. Next, we'll ask for your car's current odometer reading. This helps us understand your vehicle's service cycle better. This is your space to add any special demands, whether it's a specific concern or an additional check you'd like us to perform. Our customer voice feature lets you record and express yourself freely. Hit submit. A thank you message confirms your valuable input. Your demands are instantly shared with our workshop team, preparing our team before you even arrive. When you arrive at the workshop, our service advisor is already updated. This ensures a seamless handover and a focused discussion. The DIY job card empowers our team to provide more precise and personalized service, addressing your exact requirements efficiently. Experience the convenience and clarity of Maruti Suzuki's DIY job card opening. Look out for your DIY link before your next service appointment and enjoy a truly enhanced experience. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay informed, stay safe.